Okey, kepada parent-parent, sila awasi anakmu sebab ada satu video kartun ni aku tengok tu terkejut jugalah. Dia kira macam mak kata lah, memang lucu. Jadi awakmu tengok sendiri, awakmu menilai sendiri.
Mommy is a barber and she invites a client over. She must have been really angry because she was screaming all night. The next day my mommy invited another client. I think he was saying congrats to her because he was clapping really loud. Now I think my mommy is really good at doing haircut because this time he was screaming good girl. And I think he works really hard with these people since she makes a lot of money.
Okey, mu tengok video tadi kan, macam mana? Memang bagi aku sangat-sangat lucu. Walaupun untuk nampak fizikal, tapi ayat dia tu memang bahaya. Jadi pantaulah anak-anakmu sebelum fikiran anak-anakmu dirosakkan oleh tangan-tangan yang jahat macam ni. InsyaAllah sama-sama kita pantau anak-anak kita supaya tak jadi lebih teruk.